restoring the humanity in this digital generation. We live in a world more connected than before, yet our yet we lose we live in a world more connected than before. Yet we live in a world more connected than before. Yet we live in a world more connected than before. Yet ironically we never felt more distant. We create a digital world so wide, yet our heart grown so far apart. Every day we see young people losing sleep, scrolling endlessly, comparing their lives to others, and chasing the kind of happiness that disappears the moment the screen turns off. And that is the reality of our generation. We have all the tools to connect, but we have forgotten how to truly communicate. Our generation is full of potential, yet slowly losing the touch with what it means to be human. That is why my advocacy is restoring the humanity in this digital generation. The problem we face today is not the technology itself, but how we allow it to define our worth. We measure our values through numbers, hearts, likes, and shares, instead of by the goodness we show or the respect we give. And as we scroll endlessly, we lose sight of empathy, honesty, and compassion, the very values that make us human. But wait, there is a solution for that, and it begins with us. Let's bring back our moral condition to use technology not as a mirror but a mask of not a mi- not as a mask but a mirror of who we truly are. Let us use it to connect, not to compare, to inspire, not to insult, and to heal, not to harm. Let's practice empathy, honesty, humility, respect, and compassion on both online and offline because the real influence starts in a good intention. So tonight, I challenge everyone here to put down your phone for a moment. Look around and truly see the people beside you. Feel their presence, their stories, and their humanity. Because when restoring our values, we restore our nation's souls. And when we live with purpose, guided by compassion and truth, we don't just restore humanity, we reignite the very heart of our nation. Thank you.